to the vlog. It is day 6. Is it day 6? Yeah. It's all kind of blurring into one. It is Wednesday. We have today and tomorrow left before we check out and head to Arizona on Friday. We were initially planning to go to downtown. However, we decided against it. We want to make sure we get our gambling comp tier credits up in the next 2 days. We need to head down to check-in actually, because today is swap over day, because we had a 2-day booking for me and a 2-day booking for Emily, and today is the swap over day. So I'm hopeful that they've merged the bookings and we don't need to do anything, but that's the first thing I need to do when we go downstairs. And then instead of going to downtown, we're just going to potter around off strip. We're going to jump in the car this morning. We are going to head down to Venetian, because Bilbo Baggins here forgot to cash out one of his $150 Tito's when we stayed there, so we need to cash that out. Then we're going to head to Westgate, sign up there. I believe we can get some free play in Westgate, have a little gamble in Westgate, and then we're going to head over to Big Bass Pro Shops. What's the casino? Silverton Casino. And yeah, we're just going to do a little few things off strip. We might go to Sayulitas.
Yes, please.
Yeah? Okay, we are going to Sayulitas, so it's another breakfast burrito. This will be the only place this trip that we are going back to. Actually, no, that might be a lie, because Din Tai Fung we might be going back to this trip as well. Because again, breakfast burritos, this place is insane. I'll properly vlog it this time, because I didn't really do much last time, because I didn't know what to expect. And then, yeah, then no idea. We have absolutely zero planned. We don't have any dinner booked. We might have all these finance guys still here clogging up MGM properties. We'll see. We might go off strip for dinner. We did have, I want to say, Sparrow and Wolf booked, and we did have an Italian Nelson's or something. Nora's previously on the list, and we took them off. We might go back there now. We'll see. We don't know. Ooh, I wanted a Cabano from downstairs from the chef truck as well.
I was thinking of getting all the snacks, like going to the Proper Eats food court, grabbing a few bits, go to Cabanos. We've got food and beverage credit at Cosmo, like get a wrap, like doing a few little bits and bobs.
What, for breakfast? 6 different restaurants?
No, like this afternoon and tonight.
Yeah, maybe we'll just do like a pick and mix throughout the day and just nibble on a few different things. Start off with Sayulitas burrito, maybe share a Cabano for late lunch. Maybe Bang Bar, spicy chicken wrap.
And then like go to Proper Eats and Aria.
Yeah, so we'll bounce around. We don't really know what the plan is today. Very unlike us, but yeah, looking forward to it. So pick it up when, I don't know, when we get wherever we're going first. Probably Venetian. See you then. Alrighty, I am making my way into Nomad Casino, or Park MGM Casino I should say. So I've just been down to check with the reception, make sure everything's okay. Obviously it's changeover day as I mentioned. Got the bill, which came to about $350, and I realised that they hadn't included the additional $150 food and beverage credit that we hadn't used during the hack, and they hadn't added it on, so she said she's going to refund me that. But the rooms are all carried over, so no need to change. She reissued me 2 keys for the same room. And I'm just going to head to the MGM Rewards desk, because we had heard that they might have changed over the batches for the My Vegas Rewards, and that there were new Konami free plays. So I went on and clicked on the Nomad and got a free $25 free play voucher. Then when I tried to do Bellagio, Aria or any of the others, it said that I'd reached the limit for our rewards. So, unbeknown to me and Emily, we must have moved up from the 3 rewards to 4 rewards. It wasn't actually a change in the batch. So, I'm going to head to the MGM Rewards desk now and just see if I can activate that $25. And if so, I'm going to spin it down, because Emily's going to be about another 30 minutes getting ready. Alright, so we went to MGM Rewards desk and she said that she can't load it on. Which is, she says, is you need to wait another 30 days, which is strange because it lets you buy it. Previously, we could only buy 3. So it's let us buy 4, but we can only use 3. Which is odd. Anyway,
My understanding was if you could buy 4, you could use 4, but obviously not. So we're going to do a little bit of spinning, 10-15 minutes, maybe just put $50 in, and then we're going to head back up to the room, get Emily, and then we're going to head straight to Sayulitas and get breakfast and do Venetian and Westgate after that. Alright, we had to jump back on Prosperity Link. That major is still there at 2,600. We're going to give it a go and see what we can do. Alright, we just put $40 in. We're just going to do some low rolling. Alright, we set off the bonus again and we landed the mini for $10. I know. I've lost enough on the last couple of days on it. Alright, 3 pretty quick bonuses, one after each other. One more to activate the second reel. I've got a feeling this might do the dirty and that's all it's gonna... Oh no. 8 more to activate the third reel. As I said, the 88-cent bet has been paying out a lot more than the 176 bet on this machine. Mini and minor still flying by. Come on, let's land some orbs with words. Alright, 5 more to activate the third reel, 19 more for the fourth reel. Dropping down that minor would be nice. Alright, last spin, keep us alive. Nope. Alright. Got a small bonus, but it keeps us going. Alright. $19. Oh, we're still going. $22.50. Alright, we'll do a couple of backup spins live. Oh, that would have been nice if they lined up. And we'll come back if we get anything else. Alright, just like that, we are back in the free games, down to 26.30 again. Been going between 176 and 88, and we keep getting it on the 88-cent bet. 10 free spins, looking for 6 orbs for the bonus in the bonus. We've got multipliers as well. Come on, let's get a big pay. Over $100, please. Nice 5x. Line them up, line them up, line them up, line them up. Ah. Alright, not looking good so far. 3 spins in, 60-cent win. We need them at the front, not at the back. Alright, Queens times 4, that's not too bad, $4. We need some orbs, please. 6 orbs would be nice. Come on, orbs, orbs, orbs. Waste of wilds. Alright, throw some more down. That would have been nice if they lined up. Alright, line them up, line them up, line them up. Jacks. Alright, last spin. So far we're on $5.80. Not a great bonus. Alright, Little Elephant. $6.70. Oh, last spin, sorry. Here we go. Orbs, 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 orbs. Throw some more down. Nope, $7.20, and that is that. Alright, we'll play it down to $20, and then I think we'll cash out and pick up Emily and make a move to Sayulitas. Alright, so we made it to Sayulitas. So it is literally bang opposite Mandalay Bay. You see a little strip shopping thing here. And it's got everything you need. It's got a McDonald's, it's got a Panda Express, it's got a booze shop, Subway, Sayulitas. Amazing little place. You see, it's only very, very small, but it does, basically it's Mexican, Filipino, fusion food. And the burritos, they're famous for their absolutely massive burritos. You only need a small, really, to share. unless you're super hungry. But yeah, I'll take you in now and we'll show you what all the food's about. Alright, so this is the smallest burrito they do. This is a normal sized soft drink, pop, soda cup. I have pretty big fists. And this has got some girth to it. It must weigh a kilo to 2 kilos in weight. It is absolutely. We're going to cut into it and show you inside. Right, here goes. They should really give you a steak knife to get into this. Oh my god, it's massive. How anyone can eat more than a small, I do not know. So this has got in it. Where's this? This has got carne asada, longaniza, which is a Filipino sausage, guacamole, cheese, sour cream, chipotle sauce, and French fries. Alright, had a good shot of this.
Jesus Christ.
Look at that. Ah, it's hot.
What's your hands?
Right, time to tuck in. Look at the size of this, right? Amazing sausage, beef, chips. Honestly, guys, next trip to Vegas, get down here and get this, the bolt. The meat is so tender and flavorful. The sausage is sweet, spicy, smoky, perfect amount of cheese, salsa. You can't beat it. It's definitely the best in Vegas. Oh man, that honestly, I can't say how good that place is. Yeah, we've said we're going to make it a tradition every time we come to Vegas. We're going to stop at Sayulitas. You just can't beat it. It's just, I don't know, it's just, you have to try it yourself. If you do, let me know what you think in the comments. All right, so we were on our way to Venetian and past Ellis Island, so we thought we'd nip in, play a couple of games, swipe our card and see if we've got any free play or any offers. Usually they're pretty strict on filming in here, so don't think I'm going to be filming anything, but I'll give you a recap afterwards if there's anything worth mentioning. Otherwise, I'll pick it up in Venetian. All right, so Ellis Island was a bust. We scanned, no promotions. We're just going into Venetian. Emily's moaning that she's cold today, so she's done what anyone who's cold would do and bring out her Fat Tuesdays container to fill it with frozen pina colada, because that's going to warm her up. So I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor. Right, you cannot come to Vegas without getting a Fat Tuesdays. Pina colada every time for us. In the comments if you frequent this place, which is your favorite flavor. All right, so we made it on to Dragon Link Silk Road. The major's maxed out at 1,000, and it obviously living in Dubai, that could be a scene in Dubai. But this guy looks like my old boss. So we're just going to put $80 in. We actually only came in here to cash out my token, but because we're degenerates, we can't come in a casino and not gamble. Right, we're going to do 2 cent denom, 50-cent bet, so a $1 bet. Has this got no sound? Let's crank it up. Lucky bill, 6 orbs, all 3 of the man on the camel. There's a wild symbol. Queens across. 70-cent hit. Come on, nice early bonus. Come on, come on, come on, one more. Ooh, we'll come back if we get something. Alright, so we kept landing 2 and then we finally landed 3, down to $66, 2 cent denom. 6 free spins, here we go. Looking for 6 orbs, bonus in the bonus. Wilds. Okie dokie, that's a nice payday. How much are we guessing, Emily? $75? 72 cent, $1 bet. Alright, let's see. Oh, a pretty good bet back guess by me. Come on. Well, we'll take that. Great start. Probably go dry now. Now we need the orbs. Come on. Golden balls. 6 lovely golden balls, please. Hello. Hello. Anybody in? Thank you. Now, 2 more, 3 more. Can't count. Alright, last spin. Think that's going to be it all. Yeah. You know what? Can't complain. $68 bonus. Happy days. Alright, so we've been bouncing around on 5 cent and 2 cent denomination, and we hit the bonus on the 2 cent $1 bet. Mini is 20, minor is 100, major is maxed out at 1,000. Drop some orbs with words. Small numbers so far. Oh no. Last spin. Save the day. 3 more spins. Come on, drop a big number. Or fill it up. So far 10 collected, 15 for the grand, which is 11,922. Last spin, save the day. Nope. Short and sweet. Alright, $16 takes us to 130. We said we're going to play down to 100 or cash out at 160, which is double our money. So we'll do a few backup spins live. And we'll come back if we get anything else. Right, this machine is hot. We are back into trots. 5 cent denom this time, $1.25 bets. Mini is 50, minor is 250, major still 1,000. Right, fill me up, Buttercup. Drop some big numbers down, please. All relatively small numbers at the moment. Or drop down a orb with a word. Feel like we do a mini. 2 spins left. So we just popped in here just to cash out, but it's turning into a fruitful morning. I think what we'll do is we'll cash out after this game regardless. We'll do a couple of backup spins and then we'll cash out because we will have effectively doubled our money. Alright, 12 orbs remaining. 13. Here comes the music change. Squeaky bum time. I feel like a bingo operator. Here come the change in talk show. I know, yeah. Change in music time. A squeaky bum time. All right, last spin. Keep us alive. Yep, that's all she wrote. Ba-bum. Hasn't made many appearances, the catchphrase. Seems to be my new catchphrase is a little something something. Alright, 32.50, that takes us to just below our 160 cash out. And I think we'll cash out anyway. We'll do a couple of spins down to 150 and then we'll cash out and we'll pick it up when we get to Westgate. All right, so we made it to the Westgate. There's actually, there's a golf course.
I think that's the country club, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's the one with the private country club with all the villas around. Yeah, we watched that for TV program on it. Anyway, that's making me want to play golf. Anyway, yeah, we made it to Westgate. There is a conference on. It's the Design and Construction Conference, and I think there was another conference called IBS. I'm guessing that's not a. Yeah, I'm going to say I'm guessing that's not a conference with for IBS people. Although the way I've been this week, I should attend. Yeah, it's $30 to park. But we just said to the lady that, you know, look, we're British, we're on holiday, we're not here for the conference, we're just coming to gamble like degenerates do. And she very kindly said, no problem, just go ahead, no need to pay. So yeah, never been in Westgate before. It's one of the few that we haven't been in. I think we've only got about 3 casinos left to do of the big ones until we've pretty much done them all. Although they keep building new ones like Fontainebleau and now Durango, so we need to add that to the list. One day we'll complete them all, I'm sure. Anyway, I'll pick it up when we get inside. All right, so we're gonna go to the casino and get signed up for their rewards program. So little tip, especially for those who obviously from overseas, is what we do is we print off these little, I'm not going to show them too much because they have got personal information on, but we print off these little pieces of paper and it has our full name, our email address, our phone number and our address and postcode. And it just makes, yeah, it just makes things so much easier. Because they quite often get the address wrong, or they get the phone number wrong, or more importantly, they get your email wrong. I mean, we went to Fontainebleau and signed up a couple of days ago, and I wrote my address down, and they still got it wrong. So at least with it being typed out and printed, it's a pretty much surefire way for them not to get it wrong. And obviously, the staff really appreciate it. Emily, you want a Vegas hoodie? Why don't you get one in here? There's loads. There you go, Vegas nights. So yeah, we're gonna get signed up, see if we can get some free play, and we'll pick it up once we do, update you on what the situation is. And oh, that's Elvis. Yeah, and we'll pick it up when we get on the machine. Yeah, so some of you may know the Westgate better as what used to be the Hilton Hotel, which is where Jonathan Wilkes used to be when the infamous program Las Vegas by Louis Theroux came out. So yeah, like I said, oh wow, this is a proper old school casino with the chandeliers. Wow. Emily's just wandering around with no idea where she's going. So we'll get the players club card and then see what we get, like I said, and I'll pick it up on a machine. All right, we got all signed up. You stick it in the machine and you can win anywhere between $5 and $5,000. Barry Manilow's got a little residency here. Surprised he's still alive and kicking.
80 years old. I mean,
80 years old. Bit of Mandy. Copacabana. So yeah, we're gonna jump on a machine, see what we can win. The lady was really, really thankful for the little piece of paper. She's like, man, you're prepared. That was a terrible accent. Apologies, Americans. All right, let's see how much we're gonna win. Emily got 5. Let's see what we get. Come on, give us something nice. 5 as well. All right, so we just put about $20 in each, plus the free play. Bounced around a couple of machines, but didn't hit anything. So we just came really to check it out and see if we could get any a decent amount of free play, but we didn't. We only won the $5 each. So we're gonna head up to Palms and up to Big Bass. So I'll pick it up when we get there. Picture. We're together. It's love is in the air. Who are you in love with? No one. Oh, you're in love with Fat Tuesdays? Yeah, that sounds about right. I did know the reason, I can't remember. I think it's something to do with tradition, but I do find it weird. All the footprints on the car parks. in Vegas. I'd love to know how they get up there. I'm guessing people just do it, take them off and slap it with their hand, hold the shoe, and I can't get my leg up that high. All right, we made it to Big Bass, and I just noticed that the lines for the parking are little fishies. Ooh, and crows having a McDonald's. So in recent years, this place has become an obsession of mine. I absolutely love it. I went in one years and years ago as a kid and didn't really understand it or appreciate it. But then when we went to Memphis, and I mentioned this in our Atlantic City vlog, or my Atlantic City vlog, we stayed in the one of the biggest Big Bass Pro Shop shops, and it's where they have the Big Bass Hotel. And the hotel is a hunting lodge inside of the shop, and it's incredible. And since then, I've just become obsessed with this place. It's just so American. It's massively oversized. It's all things hunting, fishing, and as Luke Bryan used to sing, loving every day. Emily's had to go back to the car because she's got her Ruby Tuesdays, I keep doing that, Fat Tuesdays pina colada. So I'll just show you some of the entrance, and then we're going to go inside the shop and over to the casino.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow.
I just absolutely love this place. Look at the little bear climbing the tree. It's just so unique and cool. Well, that is a big fish. Is that a sturgeon? Might be a sturgeon. I'm no fishing expert. He is a big one. Like Jurassic.
From Reaper's Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses?
Size of those guns, crazy, beautiful but crazy. It's a Colt Anaconda. I'm obviously not a gun person, being from the UK where they're illegal, but I gotta say, the modern guns do nothing for me. I'll take the old-fashioned Colts, Smith & Wesson, even the rifles, the Brownings, the Winchesters. Beautiful. That's what I love about Vegas. You walk in, you're gonna into a Big Bass Pro Shop, and then you can also go straight into the casino. This is literally like heaven for me. Big Bass and a casino.
Silverton have made like lodge style rooms, I think. To, like,
Have they?
Yeah, it's new. See, it says casino and lodge.
So it'll be a little bit like the Big Bass. Maybe it's like the one we went to in Memphis that I was just talking about. Oh, we might have to stay here. Oh, they got the shooting game, Emily. Should we ever go on the shooting game? Yeah, I'll whoop your ass. It's like that, out of the shop and into the casino. Oh, there's divers. Casino Aquarium. Oh wow. Reminds me of the Atlantis in Dubai. Bit smaller. Are they cleaning coral or repairing the lines or cleaning it? Yeah, cleaning the coral. Stingray. Oh, that's a weird looking thing. Where's Nemo? Oh, big fish. Hello, mate. Oh my god, this shark is eating the other shark. I don't think that's supposed to happen. He's biting him. He's attacking him. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to happen. Oh, Emily's having a fit in the background. Right, so just walking around the casino, we went to ask what you get if you sign up, and she said initially you'll get 50% off any meal at any of the restaurants, excluding Starbucks and Johnny Rockets. And then I'll show you on here. If you earn 250 points, you get $10. Slot play up to 100,000 points gets you one mermaid school session. Okay, I think up to 2,500 points gets you $50 free slot play. Also, if you're brand, so that I didn't realize that is the existing members. If you're a brand new member, you only have to earn 250 points and you get $100 free slot play. All right, so it is now 2:45. We've got the It's to Gamble. Well, obviously we want to focus on gambling in MGM, so we're going to head back now. We're going to come back here maybe in our second week trip. There's actually a pair of trousers that Emily's dad is looking to buy, and they sell them here in Big Bass. But because he's in Thailand, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and we can't get hold of him. So we may come back next week, and if we do, we'll sign up. We'll get the 50% off and have lunch here, and we'll obviously do some spins and try and get the $100 free play. So we're going to head back now to the hotel, get parked up, grab a beer, and then start our gambling session. All right, just back in Park MGM, just getting some stuff out of the car, restocking the beer, Emily's restocking the waters, and then we're going to head over to MGM Grand. We haven't been there in a long time, well, since the hack, but it was literally, MGM was the worst hit and the whole thing was completely closed. So we're going to go there and do a little bit of gambling in MGM Grand this afternoon. All right, we're just getting a little bit peckish, so we're going to stop off at the Chef's Truck, El Jefe, from the famous Cubanos from the film. Show you the menu. Right, so they've got this really cool thing here. So it's basically, on the side, it's the chef's truck. And on the opposite side, as you can see, there's a split. So you can see here, down in this bottom section, they have pots and pans. If you look at the perfect angle, it actually looks, let me zoom in, looks like the inside of the truck is alive. Incredible. Alright, so we've just grabbed, we're not hugely hungry, so we've just grabbed a grilled cheese sandwich. So they've got a nice little seating area here as well. So we're going to take a seat, share that, and then we'll make our way over to MGM Grand. We've just got the grilled cheese to share. Let's slice into, ooh, yeah, that looks good. So I'm a big fan of cheese on toast. I'm a big fan of a cheese toasty, which is different. Cheese toast in the UK is slightly different to a grilled cheese in America, but I think of the three, I've got to go with the grilled cheese. This looks really nice. This is how I make them at home. Whack a load of butter in the pan, fry the bread. Beautiful. Looking forward to this. Alright, so we just finished at the food truck. We only had the grilled cheese. Obviously they're famous for their ham and cheese sandwich, but as we're having David Chang's spicy pork wrap in a couple of hours, or this evening, we didn't fancy pork again. And we had quite a bit of pork in the sausage for breakfast. So we actually didn't vlog too much because there was another vlogger there. You know, she's got a few more followers than us. She's got 10 million followers. Her name, I'm having to read it off her YouTube because is Sophia Nygaard. I'll show you the screen.
This lady, she's got a couple of Vegas videos actually, like where she stays at all the Vegas.
Yeah, we actually watched one of her videos where she stays at every single Vegas hotel So she was there with her husband or partner, trying all the food. So yeah, I'll give my review now. My review was I'm gonna give, yeah, hers might be sponsored. It might be a little bit tainted. Mine is unadulterated, unfiltered, and bang average, run of the mill, just like Echo and Rig. 5 out of 10. It was okay. It was a grilled cheese sandwich, but it was just meh. It was very greasy, which a grilled cheese shouldn't be. The bread was quite thick, so it was quite chewy because it's sourdough, and there wasn't a huge amount of cheese in it. And my piece seemed to be more crust. I got the top crust part. So yeah, I make better grilled cheese sandwiches at home, to be honest. $12, meh, yeah, wouldn't try it again. Anyway, we are on the way to New York, and I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor. To New York, we're on Dragon Spin. We are doing 1 cent denom, $1.50 bets. Let's go. Looking for 6 orbs for the bonus. Alright, we are we doing 150? Yeah, 150 bets. We're back. Sorry, got distracted.
I think we should play 75 and see what this game's about.
Yeah, maybe. Let's try and let's do some low rolling. We've never played this game before, so I'm guessing these coins can just set the bags off. Tell you what, it is very warm in the casinos, man. Why? Like, it's actually a nicer temperature outside than it is inside. It's not that cold, and so they've not got the AC on, but because of that, it's so warm in here. And the problem is, because it's not warm outside, people have got light jumpers and jackets on when they're outside, and then they come in and it's boiling hot. I am literally sweating. Alright, not much is happening, so I'll come back if we do get something, otherwise we'll be moving on. We hit some sort of bonus. We thought you needed 6, but it must be from left to right. We got $3.50 and 5 free games, plus the Dragon Spin. So I'm guessing whatever we win, we then get a potential multiplier. Like I said, we've never played this game before, so we're learning with you guys. So far it's been pretty poor, we haven't had a single line hit. Alright. Don't know what these multipliers are.
We've got 1 game left, so I don't know.
Right. Oh, so that multiplies the line, maybe. Right, now what? So we're on $4.30. Is that it? Press the button. Alright. Spin again when the gold coin lands. I have no idea what we're doing. Alright, press the button. So if we get, do we only get 1 spin? Come on, up. Alright, so we get that. So we keep spinning until we don't land one. Alright, got it. Oh, this is slightly better. Slightly better. Come on, land a 3x. Up. Come on. 2x times the 3. Up. Nope, that's it. Congratulations. Oh yeah, so all of those are times 3. Oh, that's actually not bad then. Alright, we'll let you off. 75-cent bet, that's not a bad bonus. I mean, it's not brilliant, but considering we hadn't had a single line hit, we were going to cash out of this and find a different machine. Yeah, just under $30 takes us to $163, back to our, in fact no, we're $10 profitable now. Right, we'll do a few backup spins, see what happens. I'm still not overly enamoured by the game, to be honest, but we will see. Alright, I think we'll play it down to 150, see what happens. We'll come back if we get something. Alright, so we have moved on to Lion Link. One, because I played this game a couple of days ago and it was alright, and two, because where we are situated, it is a lot cooler. It is very, very hot in the casino. It's a little bit cooler over here, so it's tolerable. So we're going to do a 1 cent denom. We'll do $1, 50 bets. We're looking for 6 orbs or 3 of this symbol for the bonus. Just turn that volume up a bit. Alright, as always, we'll come back if we get something decent. Well, we've had a couple of close calls, but nothing yet. A few little line hits, $4, $6 line hits. Oh, one short, drop it. Oh, he's teasing us. A nice $10 orb as well. We'll keep playing another $10, $15 worth, see if anything happens. Wilds. Oh, one short again. And they're wild, so of course this acts as a blocker. Alright, we'll come back if we get something. Now, balls, minor is $25. No. Alright, we landed 2 orbs and he threw down 4, finally. Small numbers. This is a 1 cent denom. 15 collected awards the grand, 480 ball, that's a little bit better. And it does reset every time you land one. Alright, decent numbers. Coming down thick and fast. And now it's gone quiet. Alright, last spin, save the day. Nope. Alright, $22 bonus. Not bad. Not amazing. It is a 150 bet. But a bonus is a bonus, and a bonus will take all day long. Alright, we said we'd take it down to what, 130? 120, and we hit the bonus again. A couple of decent numbers there. It has been teasing us for a while, so... Alright, just seen a $10 orb go by. Oh no, it's going to do the dirty. Last spin, save the day. Yep, there we go. 9 collected, 6 more for the grand. $10,200. Alright, nice. Calm down, Emily, calm down. Bloody hell. Jumped out your skin then. $16 ball, nice. Big numbers attract big numbers. You know what they say. The grand's a big number, 10,200. I'll take that all day long. Oh no, last spin, save the day. Oh nice, 480. That one stuck in quickly in the bottom corner. 3 spins left still. Bonuses going off left, right and centre. Another $16. Wow, this is a good bonus now. Alright, and only 2 left. There's been no music change. I like a music change. I like to build the anticipation. I think we're going to land this one and that one's going to stay empty. That's my guess. Oh, we're not going to land any of them. Alright, you know what? We'll take that. Couple of juicy $16 orbs. Alright, nicely done. $73. No, not 73. Where did I get 73 from? I added the 16 3 times. 58, sorry. Alright. Right, so good little afternoon gambling so far. Obviously we put $80 in Venetian, turned that into $150, and then we've turned the $150 into $195. So we've just ordered some drinks, so we're Going to continue spinning. We might move it down to 75 cents while we wait for the drinks and then move on. Emily's ordered a Coors Light, a Miller Lite, and I've gone for one of my favourite drinks, an Amaretto Sour. Never tried it here in New York, so interested to see what it tastes like. Alright, our luck is in. We were just low rolling at 75 cents until the drinks lady came, and we hit the bonus, and we dropped a $12 ore. So this was completely unexpected. We thought we'd just be sitting here killing time, and now we're going to win even more money, and this will take us up over $200. Lovely. There is 12, 15, 16, 17, $18 on the pot at the moment. 2 spins left, $22. $23. Keep them coming. Alright, last spin. Can we get more than $23? We can get 23.5. I'll take 24. Anybody 24? Alright. That's $27.5. Last spin. Mini's gone by. Nope. $24.5 by my calculation. Again, not bad, considering we were just time wasting. And once again, Russell cocked up with the maths. Alright, so we were supposed to cash out that 200, but we took it down to 190 because we just couldn't help ourselves, and now we jumped on the little devil. We're going to do 1 cent denom, $1.20 bets. And I have to say, the Amaretto Sour, the colour of it isn't great, but it's actually quite tasty. Although it's more sour mix than Amaretto. Oh, alright. Let's get a spin in. Let's get that volume up. Looking for 3 wicked wheels for the bonus. Alright, we'll come back if we get something. Something's happening. That's $100. Wow. Nice. I just said this game's quiet. And then he started rumbling, and luckily I got the camera just in time. $114. Oh, it seems like it's not just me that can't count. Emily can't count either. She's like, oh, $10. I was like, no, that's 100. Alright. I love you, little devil. Although he's not the red devil, and as a United fan, should be the red devil. Blue devil is the opposite side of the city, the noisy neighbours, the complete and utter beep. I won't say what I think of them. You can probably guess. I dropped another 100 ball down. It's not a ball, it's a devil, but same. I thought we got it. I didn't realise I had to be on the line here. I thought as long as he landed, you just got it. But damn, I was getting excited. But that's a good sign when it's dropping big numbers like that down. Come on, 3. Alright. Come back if we get anything else. Alright, we put it down to 260. We're going to cash out at 250. It's gone a little bit quiet now. Can't blame it though. We'll do some of the live spins. We have seen a couple of $100 orbs. We've seen quite a few 50s drop by, but we just haven't been able to get them on a line hit. Alright, 3 spins left. $4. Alright, well, we're winning again, so I'll come back if we get anything big. That's another $11. So we'll play it down to 250, or we'll cash out if we get up over 300. Oh. Alright, we'll be back. Right, we got the wheel. Where should we touch him? He's the red devil, give him a little... Right, Epic, well you can see Epic 10,500, Grand 1,100. Grand will be perfect, just below hand pay, just below the tax. Alright, multipliers, nice. Major and a mini. That's $40. I've got a feeling we're going to get the major and the mini, which is $40. That's my guess. What are you guessing? No, we're not going to get the Ultra. $8. He might move it. No. Alright. Not great. Yeah, well, he just paid us out over $100 a minute ago, so we can't complain. Alright, greedy. Alright, not quite over 300, so we'll play it down to 250. Alright, so we've had 2 bonuses so far. We've had the wheel. Yeah, but we had the amounts that land, so it's kind of like a bonus, isn't it? We're waiting for the picker, the jackpot bonus. Let's see if we can get all 3 features. It's a feature, isn't it? It's not a bonus, but it's a feature of the game. We've got $10 left. We'll come back if we get something. Alright, we played down to 250. We are cashing out and moving on. Alright, so we moved on to the giant Cleopatra Grand game. Like we said, we're going to play down to 200 or up over, down to 200 or back up over 300. 1 cent dinar, $1 bet. It's that big, I'm struggling to get it all on the screen. Alright, it's one of those. The big button doesn't work, let's touch the screen. Yeah, let's swap seats. We swap seats and we're back live. Let's get this volume up. We're looking for 3 of these for the bonus. Cleopatra is wild. I love the noise it makes. No idea. Don't play Cleopatra. Maybe it's within the bonus. Alright, we'll come back if we get something. I'm in recording. I forgot to press record. Anyway, we hit the bonus. It was crap. We won $12. That's about it. Back to back. Oh, back to back bonuses. Woo, woo, woo. So basically, I said everyone always picks the green, so I picked the blue, and apparently I picked the worst one. Well, the chances of that happening twice in a row are pretty slim, so let's go for blue. Oh, you like this one, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, right, oh, she likes this one, so I told you that. Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much for letting me know.
Okay,
oh, this looks much better. How the hell am I going to get this in? All right, let me pause it and zoom out and come back for the game. All right.
Stand up if it gets stuck.
I'll try and get as much of it in as possible. Oh, so this is how you get the bonus. This is how you get the mini. So the mini is $15. The maxi is $50. Sorry, it's that big, this machine. It's like seriously big. 1.42 million is on offer, but we're not betting the maximum amount, so we're not going to get it. Maximum we can get, I think, is 10,248.
25,000.
Oh no, yeah, current maximum is 25,000. I'll take 25 grand. All right, yeah, sorry, minus 25, major 150, maxi 50, mini 15. All right, let's go, come on. 2 spins remaining. We need 6 more to unlock the next row.
One more.
Well, one more, I know, one more would be nice. I've seen the minor or the minor go by, there we go.
What's this super chance that kicks off? Did you see it?
You get a super jackpot chance. That's what you have to land to win the jackpot.
Oh yeah.
So we want that.
Oh yeah. See it?
4 more to unlock the next reel. Nice, nice, nice. 3 more. 1 more to unlock the next reel. Is there anything on it? No, we can't see. Oh yeah, yeah. Nice. Nice. All right, 2 more for the next one. There's a $2 and a $1.50 on it. Difficult to fit in. One more. Where's the major?
It just scrolled
Oh,
past.
one more for the next row. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, I saw that super grand chance again.
Jackpot, the top row.
Oh, there's a super jackpot chance on the top row. So we're only going to go up to maximum the row behind it then. We're never going to get a super jackpot chance, are we? Let's face it. All right, there we go. Well, we only need 10 more. Could you imagine? 9 more, 3 more for the next row. Two spins left. There's a lot of super grand chance going by. Because it's only 8 more, but if we unlock the next row, there's 3 on it, so that automatically drops to 5, which by that point would be 4. So, oh, I thought that was going to stop then. Oh my word. Oh, holy moo moo. Oh, holy moo 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 moo. My arm's tiring, holding it like this.
3 more.
All right, squeaky bum time. 3 spins remaining, 3 more to get for a super grand jackpot chance. Well, surely if you get the chance, is it like...
No, I think it's been like dollar store. Like,
guarantee the hand pay?
it's only a dollar bet, I don't think.
Right, last spin, we need to drop something to save us. Yes, we did. Oh my word.
Right, 2 more.
Oh my word. 2 more for the super jackpot chance. You watch, we'll land it. They'll just go, you don't win this super jackpot.
Don't mean it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 1 more for the super jackpot. I don't even know if you guys can see it. Super jackpot chance up here. I'm on the widest angle I can do. 3 spins remaining for a super jackpot chance. Come on. Oh my god, this will make my day. Even if we don't win.
I don't mean it.
Oh, you gotta love Vegas. You gotta love gambling. 1 more. Come on, come on. The major's just gone by.
Oh, no.
Major's 150. All right, last spin. 1 more to unlock the top reel. Fingers and toes are crossed.
No.
No. Ah, 1 short. But you know what? We'll take it. I haven't even been like tallying up what the numbers were because we were so focused on the super jackpot chance. Man, that would have been nice to get. But you know what? We'll take it.
Let's have a look on the rules what it is.
Well, back-to-back bonuses. We can't complain. So we'll do a live spin. We've never done back-to-back-to-back. So let's see if we can do a new. Trying to get the ladies' attention, but. Alright. And we still didn't get over 300.
No, I know.
Alright, we'll come back if we get something. We are saying goodbye to New York, New York. Off to MGM Grand. Alright, we are on Bankbuster. What shall we do? Well, I don't like Pompeii. I don't like Buffalo. I've never heard of Louis Gold, so let's do Louis Gold.
1 cent.
We got $200 in. Get that volume up. What's he doing? Let's try and sort. Just gonna low roll. Oh, it's basically Buffalo. I can tell by the numbers. We're gonna low roll, do 80 cents bet for a bit. Just to kill a bit of time. It's still quite early.
Just seeing what it's about, really.
Yeah. Guessing we need. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. All right. We'll come back if we get something. That blue policeman looks very angry. Alright, welcome back. Isn't this romantic? Gambling together, winning together. We got the repeat feature won 5 free games, repeat win prize awarded multiple times. So I'm guessing it adds those 3 coins together, and we get that every time we land it. Fortunately, our orbs are only about $1. Yeah. So we can only win a maximum of 20. Oh no, I suppose no. I was saying I thought it was going to be like a drop and lot. That's all right. Or is it? $8.50. Meh. We don't have a repeat win yet.
Where are the bloody things?
I don't know where's. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's
So what's the repeat win for one?
I think there's a thing after. I think there's like another game after.
Oh, is there?
I think so.
Right. Right. So now every time we land him, we win 720. All right. Well, that's good.
He bounces.
Oh, he bounces. Oh, that's it.
So you got 15. Bounce again, you sod.
Come on, you big.
Oh. Come on, you big beast.
That's it. I think that's it. Hey, it's quite good that. Even if you didn't see, don't know where he's coming from though. There he is.
Ooh.
It's quite hard to catch this guy because he can come from absolutely anywhere on the screen. There he goes. It's all right. I'll take a couple more. No. Is he done? He's done. Well, that's quite a cool little bonus. Really big win. I should be a game show host. Pig-tastic.
Sounds less dense.
Alright, 44.60. Not a bad bonus, puts us back up close to 240. We'll take that. We'll do a few backup spins live. El Banco. And we'll come back if we get something else.
I'm sure if you get all 3 at the same time.
4x. 6x. Alright. Another $8. Lovely jubbly. Right, we got the repeat bonus again. At least we know what to do this time and what to look out for. Alright, let's go. 330, sorry, on the repeat win already. Alright, another $1. More. Alright, another $1.20. I feel like when it's going to get that high, you're not going to get many repeat wins. Alright, a little something on the line here. +1 free game. Alright, nice. Kings. 92 cents. Whoop, whoop. Alright, last spin on the free game. Leave some more coins. Come on. $3. No, nothing. Free game? Nope. Alright, let's catch the boy bounce. Where's he going to come from? Nobody knows. I'll try and fit as much as I can in. Keep coming. Oh, he's going to go back up, isn't he? Oh no. Jump.
Come on, you got more in you than that.
$22. Nope, that's it. Yeah. $22. We'll take it. Quick bonuses in succession. Alright. See if we can do a couple of backup spins live. Right. Ooh, $50. That would be a nice one to land. Alright, we'll come back and we get something else. Didgeridoo. I can't stand that game. I hate it. We are cashing out with $240 left, and we're going to jump on something else. Right, we set off the green and the blue. Oh, I didn't tell you we were filming, did I? Oh, I said we weren't going to film this, and we'd just enjoy it, unless we hit the bonus. So we're on, what's it called? 8 wins, 8 wilds, or 8 prizes. Oh, and we've got 8 wilds and 8 prizes. Nice. Right, we're on 1 cent, 88. Bet. Down to 1.95. That's alright. Eight. It's eight. It's not 888 though. That would be nice. Nice. Just keep increasing the wilds, keep increasing the prizes. Land them. Jackpot. Jackpot. Pays up to $15, so we keep getting 50 cents. 24. Lucky number, Emily. This is going to be a good spin. Anytime today. There we go. It's gonna be a big one. Oh, great lucky number. Come on, land them. Right, we're up to 774. This is spin 6 of 8. Come on, wilds all across. Aye. 24, $10.58. 7th spin. They're a big door jackpot. 35. What are we going to get? Minor plus 6. Minor is 20, so that's $26 for that one. That makes the bet a little bit bigger. 38.58. Nice. And one spin to go. Come on, let's land. Oh, we're still going. Up to $40. Right. Fill it with jackpot doors. Doors. No doors. Alright, $41.82. Not bad. Two spins later, we set up 8 prizes. So it's not going to be great. Well, you never know. Nice. $11 already, I'll take that. Doors. Where are the doors? What's the scores? Marjorie Doors. Let's call the dove from above. Coo! Any non-British viewers will be thinking, what the bloody hell's he on about? You don't know what I'm on about? Calling the dove from above? Coo! Well, hopefully some of our viewers will understand that. Doors, hello. Where's the doors? Knocking on the door. Oops. Alright, that was spin 5 of 8. 3 to go. Doors. Oh. We get the door bonus, but we don't get any doors. $15 so far. Very loud. Doors. No. Oh, finally, $4. We can retire now. Alright. Last spin. And no doors. And not even a win. Alright, $20. 2 spins. Well, only 1 spin between bonuses. Can't really complain. Alright, Emily got a $75 free play. Put it in the machine, hit the bonus on the second spin. Bloody hell. She's already got a $40 line hit, and then she hit this bonus. 2 minis for $20, $22.50, a couple of 750s. And to think you didn't want to go to the woman at the MGM Rewards desk and ask for your $75 free play, because there was an issue with Emily's. She was doing a 1 cent Phenom $1.50 bet. $72.50 bonus with the 40 already up to $113. And how much free play have you used? About $3.
About $3. Carry on then.
All right. A couple of spins later, and for me, I've now hit the bonus. Emily's still playing her free play. She's going to up her bets a bit more now. Oh, she's going in for that maxed out major. All right, we're only doing 1 cent, 50 cent bets because we're waiting for Emily. But we've hit a mini for $10. Minor is 50, major is $6.72. Right, 2 minis for $10 each. Decent bonus for a 50-cent bet. Dragon Link is paying out. About time. These machines have taken a lot of money from me over the last few days. Alright, it's a $30 bonus. Cannot complain. Alright, not a bad bonus. We'll do a few backup spins live. And we'll come back if we get anything else. Alright, so we up the bet slightly, changed the denomination to 5 cent, $1.25, and we got a nice little wild line hit. Let's see what we got. 27.75. Not bad, takes us up to 147. Emily's used her free play and she's finished with $140, so not bad. Turned 75 into 140. That's a double up. Not bad. Alright, we've been bouncing around Aria for an hour and a half with very little to show from it, so we're heading over to Cosmo. We're going to go to Bang Bar and get a couple of wraps, spicy pork and the other one, can't remember what it's called, and yeah, then we'll do some gambling in Cosmo. So we've got quite a lot of footage from today, so I'm only going to vlog if it's a decent win or we do some high bets. So I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor in Cosmo. Alright, well, we've come to Bang Bar. I was going to order a beef wrap, but then when Emily pronounced it as a come-in beef, I thought, I think I'll stick to the pork wrap. It's not come-in, it's cumin. Yeah, no, you weren't. No, you weren't. Alright, so we got one spicy pork and one come-in beef wrap. That's how I'm going to call it. Forever. No, you weren't. The lady actually said that quite a few people call it come-in beef. Oh, such simple minds. Alright, so just finished in Bang Bar. We always get the spicy pork wrap whenever we come, every trip. But because obviously we've not had dinner, that was effectively our dinner, we got two. So we got the come-in beef and the spicy pork wrap. I hate to say it, but I think I prefer the come-in beef. I want to stop saying come-in. Cumin.
Come-in beef?
No, thank you.
No, I prefer
The cumin beef, I think now, might be above the spicy pork wrap for me. So, it's packed again in Cosmo. It's very, very quiet in the food hall, but it is very, very busy again. All the
finance bros.
The finance bros and the delegation and the convention people are in town. So we're going to go down to the floor, get a drink, and it's getting a bit late. Well, late for us. So we'll probably just do about an hour and a half of gambling, and then we'll call it a day. Alright, so a little tip. We've been to Bang Bar 5 or 6 times. And the wraps today were absolutely loaded with meat. They were way bigger than they usually are. I would say probably 75% bigger. Normally they're quite thin. This and they were girthy. A bit like our burrito this morning. And that's because we got there at 10 to 10 and they close at 10. So obviously, as they get closer to closing time, they use more and more of the meat because otherwise it's going to get wasted. So yeah, if you're ever getting a snack, if you're around there at 10 o'clock, get into Bang Bar and you will get a pretty much double meat, if not triple the meat that you would get normally. All right, Russell's greedy tip of the day done. Time to go down to the floor and gamble. Alright, we jumped on Mighty Cash. We put about $6 in. We're on Mighty Cash double up, 75-cent bets. And we hit the bonus and we're getting close to filling game 1 of 2. We've only got 2 spaces left with 3 spins to go. So I'll try and get it all in, just in case anything decent happens. Every time you land, alright, we filled it up. So I'm hoping that that means that we double the points in game 1. Certainly means that in the standard one. Every time you land a red diamond or a ruby, you get $1.75 as well. So we'll just focus on the top game now. It'd be nice to fill both of them up. Alright, yeah, game 1 is 2 times all wins. Only a very small amount, but it all adds up. Wow, this is a painfully slow counter. I'm struggling to get it all in, unfortunately. That's a $25 bonus. Not bad on a 75-cent bet, considering we've only done about 4 spins. Alright, we'll come back if we get anything else decent. Alright, just a few spins later, as you'll see, we hit the free games feature. I'm looking for 6 orbs to get the bonus in the bonus. I've got a feeling this is going to be a pretty poor bonus. Usually when you get back-to-back bonuses, they're never great. Re-trigger. No. Last time we re-triggered on this game, we won a $500 maxi. One more. Right, this is spin 6 of 8, so we've got 2 left. So far, it's a really poor bonus. Wow. I mean, I just don't see the point. Why give someone a 93-cent bonus? Why not just not give them the bonus at all? Alright, so we jumped on Dragon Link. We got the 3 spins. We've down about $180. We had $28.88 left. What else can I tell you? We got a $26 line hit, and then we hit the feature in a feature. We've got 2 minis, $10 each, a couple of 4s, 5s, so decent looking bonus. So we'll start the orb bonus. I think if I remember correctly, we've still got 4 free spins. Emily, the games menu doesn't work, you can't change it. That's the game I was playing earlier. Sorry, Emily. Ooh. Hold on. Emily's playing the game next to me that I just lost $100 on, and the game's menu doesn't change, doesn't work properly. Okay, so 13 collected, only 2 more needed for the grand, which is 13,500. Oh my god. Alright, 1 left. 13,500. Is it going to be coming home with a... Jesus. Sounds like someone else. Sounds like someone else just won 13,500. Alright, last spin. Come on, baby. Oh no. Alright, not a bad bonus. Finally recovered some money. Completely forgot to turn the free games. I pressed stop and completely forgot. 2 games left. Come on, balls, 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 balls. Up to 78-10. Balls. No. Alright. 78-10, not bad. Alright, we are done in Cosmo and making our way back to Nomad. Yeah, I don't know if the camera picked that up, but Emily said shite. Yep. Gambling was garbage. The highlight of the day in Cosmo was leaving and seeing Bubba Wallace opposite us on the escalator, who I believe just as of today did the NASCAR race in Vegas either yesterday or the day before. So yeah, it is 11:30. We're gonna head back to Nomad, probably do a little bit more gambling in Nomad, try and get a drink, and then probably call it a night. So I'll pick it up if we get any decent bonuses or decent wins. Alright, so it's recap time from yesterday's vlog. So yesterday was a bit of an off-strip day, just pottering around doing 2 or 3 different casinos. So typically when we come to Vegas, we like to do an off-strip day. We're not doing downtown this trip, so we did some of the kind of more local residence casinos. So we started off with breakfast. We went to Sayulitas. We've been there on our last trip. We're going to make it a regular. We're going to go there every single time we come to Vegas now. We absolutely love it. It's one of our favorite places in Vegas. It's Mexican, Filipino, fusion cuisine. It's all burritos, tacos, tater tots, all sorts of stuff that they do. The bulk burrito is one of the nicest things I've eaten. It's absolutely massive. It will easily do 2 of you. But I just can't recommend enough that you go there and try it out. It's literally just 50 meters from Mandalay Bay on the opposite side of the road. So after that, we went down to Venetian. I had a Tito that I needed to cash out, so we did a little bit of gambling. We had a couple of good hits in there, so we left on a positive with a profit. We moved on to Westgate. There was a convention at Westgate, so it was very, very busy. So we didn't stay a huge amount of time. We just got the $5 free play, had a quick look around the casino, and then moved on. We didn't get a chance to go to Palms. We were just running out of time. But we did go up to, I keep wanting to say South Point, but it's not South Point.
Silverton.
Silverton. I always forget the name of Silverton. And we did Silverton Casino and Lodge, and obviously the Big Bass Pro Shop, which is one of my favourite places. So we spent a good hour and a half there. We'll probably end up going back down the next trip because we want to sign up for the free play and possibly get my father-in-law's trousers from Big Bass. And then we came back to Park MGM. We did a bit of gambling in Park MGM. We went over and got a grilled cheese sandwich from the chef food truck, which was very, very average. Went across to MGM Grand, did a bit of gambling in MGM Grand. Came back here and then potted over to Cosmo. Did a bit of gambling in Cosmo. Went to Bang Bar, got the spicy pork wrap and the cumin beef, or cumin as Emily calls it. And then yeah, did a bit of gambling yesterday. Emily got her free play finally. She did have a little bit of an issue. She got 1 free play a couple of days ago, and then when we went back to get the free play from this trip, they said, "Oh no, that's already been given to you." And we said, "Well, we thought that was the previous trip's free play." So she added it on anyway. Emily then went on Autumn Moon Dragon Link, which has been swallowing all of my money for the past 4 days, and won it all back. So turned her $75 free play into $150 cash, which was good. And then yeah, in Cosmo didn't really have a huge amount of wins. So I've come back with $265, and I believe, Emily, correct me if I'm wrong, come back with about 360.
No, 320.
320. So not bad considering the amount of gambling we did yesterday. So yeah, again, really enjoyable day. Got to be honest, feeling pretty rough this morning. Drank quite a lot yesterday.
So yeah, that's pretty much the wrap up for today or yesterday's vlog. As always, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe if you're enjoying the content. It does help the channel. And we'll see you next week for our final full day in Vegas for our part 1 trip before we head off to Arizona for the weekend. So thanks, see you next week.